Hey y'all, okay, I know it's been a minute, but I've been busy on some other things. So today what we have here is those are two brothers from the same mother and the same daddy. Their mother was a bronze, and the daddy was a red with white tips and a beard. And their parents were some good hitters. These two right here seem to be slow into coming into they hit, they rolling and stuff. Now this one right here, I done seen him do about a 2.5, but that one right there, we haven't been able to really see what he's doing yet. But these are 23, my 23 squaws right here. Those are two of today was the day for me to let the boys out. And these two right here, I let them out in the morning. Around 9 o'clock, I let them out. Let them get time to get flight in and stuff, and for me to watch them and check them out in the air. And these two right here been out all day. It's 4:30 right now, and they still out. Now, at the same time, I've been having the trap door closed too, this is the trap door right here. This one right here was in the cage. He jumped out that trap door 2 times. So he got me pissed off at him. That's the trap door. You see, I got a pole holding it up because I don't keep that trap door wide open because the dude that built this trap door, he didn't build it to where once the birds is in, they in. So that fool right here jumps out. He's good at it because he done it before. So, and this one right here, he's lazy on coming in. He think he could take his time to get in. So that also tell me when they act like that they fed up real cool. And because birds can go 3 days without eating, and um, so when you let your birds out, you want to let them out. When they want to come back in and get food and water. So these two right here haven't had no water all day. But this one right here, he done been in twice and snuck back out 2 times. So really I need to get these trap doors secured better because once they return from a flight, I don't want them coming back out because once they return from a flight, there's food in there and water, and they can, eat, and then get their fill of eating, then they'll come back out, thinking they can come back out and shit. And see, he just flew up in over there. So, and plus they still, pecking at the females too. So I think what I'm fixing to do, I'm gonna let them have to stay out here some more time because this shit is holding me up, and I don't want to just leave the trap door open because this is like a punishment to them too because they gotta learn. You bring your ass in, when it's time to come in. I'm gonna catch you. You do another spin, nigga. Do another spin, and I got you. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for today. Just trying to want to catch up, on my videos and stuff like that. Now, That's his brother right there. So I took one of my 23 squaws over to the my breeder's cage, and I mated her up with a grizzle head, a black grizzle head, and uh, and that's because every time I let her out over here, I never got a chance to check her out, see what she do, because she would fly away, go somewhere, and don't come back until she wanted to come back. And it was all every time she came back, it was it was in the evening time. Yeah. So all right, I tried to catch that one. I'm gonna shut it down for now. Okay.